Y'all, I broke the G. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and just tell you guys what happened. I'm actually gonna show you guys what happened. Because if I sit here, it's gonna be boring, and I know how it's gonna be. To be honest with you, I'm not exactly sure what the problem is and how it happened. Yeah, let's just dive deep into this. Let me show you guys what happened.
All right, Charles.
Yeah,
hold on. Let me get in position. All right, Charles. It's gonna be my first time reacting to his.
This all happened same day as me actually installing the exhaust, y'all. So for reference of who's in the camera right now, my cameraman, my housemate, my friend, I had him come outside because I want him to hear the exhaust. You know, I just installed the exhaust. I wanted to see him, you know, see his reaction, get him excited about it, see how he felt, and yeah, this happened.
That shit's tough.
That's just dumb loud.
Yo, it's just dumb loud, bro.
Oh, it's louder than my car.
Yo, I'm fucking with that shit, bro.
Oh.
Nah, rev it again.
Huh?
Rev it again.
So as you see here, right in the distance, there's a lot of smoke coming from the car. We both didn't realize it at this moment, so it was kind of like a surprise when we finally did turn around and did see it. At one point, I did kind of like look at it and glance and saw something, but I wasn't paying too much attention because, you know, I was having fun, pops and bangs. I was just living life, you know?
Oh, what the fuck happened? Yo, this nigga shit is smoking.
Yo, we broke the G.
Nigga, fuck.
It's not planned, bro. I kid y'all, that's not planned.
Yo,
bro.
where is that coming from?
I think it's behind the coolant bleeder, bro. I think it finally gave out, bro. Is it? No, it's not.
$500 car, y'all. This shit sound like a race car.
I'm gonna see if it's going away soon. I think it needs an oil change, dude.
Yeah, I think I've been inside.
Oh, it's going away. Look, it's there going away. I don't know. You know what it is though? Sometimes I heard some people talk about like when you leave a car sitting for too long, it does smoke sometimes. Honestly, guys, I'm normally a happy person. You know, you guys. I feel like you guys see me on camera, and I'm normally smiling. I'm not really. Don't really look too sad. And even in this moment, like in the moment you just saw, like I'm still smiling right now. I still got a smile on my face. But to be honest with you guys, the camera's on, and you know, you guys are watching. I don't want to look like that sad guy looking like a little sad, depressed person. But in this moment, y'all, I actually don't think the problem was just the car sitting for too long. And I think it's a lot deeper than that. Now, what exactly is the problem? I'm still not sure. So we gonna hope it's alright.
Yeah.
Like, I haven't had there's no codes or anything for it. It's nothing like it's dead done. Like, it dead stop. So my guess is just the exhaust. Oh,
Where's it
it's the
coming?
exhaust. Something's like coming in the exhaust.
Something going on the exhaust.
We'll see.
Yo, I just really got a cut. I think she looking kind of fresh.
Nah, we're at cut, bro. Okay. You don't smell like nothing bad. Like, you don't smell like. All right. So at this point right here, I was trying to see what was wrong with or smell anything, but my guess it's probably oil, low key, like from like the valves or something like leaking.
Yeah.
I was revving it dumb hard. That was the first time like really sending this car, bro.
Nigga sent the fuck out that shit. This car ain't used to that.
To be completely honest, guys, it was pointless for me to stick a camera in the engine bay. It was so cramped in there, you could barely see anything, but I promise. Yo, if I broke this car, yo, I'm keeping this car if I broke it, bro. I'm gonna fix it, we're gonna make it a race car. I don't see nothing, though, for real. Like, nothing's leaking, like, nothing's actively leaking. I'm checking it. And as y'all see, it wasn't my day. You know, the car smoking, and the weather wasn't even on my side, y'all, because... Man, it's starting to rain. Fuck, it's starting to rain. Y'all even see it? Y'all can't even tell, bruh. It's starting to rain. All right, y'all. Temp the car one more time before we go. This is suits up. See if anything's smoking again. I don't see the smoke. I hear that squeal though. Oh, is that it? Chilling again. Back to being a chill ass G. My guess right now is tune up next, bro. Doing the tune up, change spark plugs, change ignition coils, swap out the oil. We're going to see how this car's running after that. Should be good. Hopefully, y'all. But y'all, for the last 15 minutes, I just took time and then disassembling the whole engine bay. Basically, just the top. You know, I want to do like the valve cover gasket. Throw in a new. I might even throw in a new like plenum gasket. I might just change all the top of gaskets to be honest. But spark plugs, ignition coils. I wanted to do the drive belt, serpentine belts. I didn't order a new one honestly. I kind of forgot one when I was making my list. But the one that's on the car right now is still pretty stout. And it's sturdy. It's sturdy. I'm checking it right now. It is definitely still sturdy. And I don't see no cracks or anything. So I'm leaving that dry belt for now. Oil guys get done. So I gotta drain all the oil, change the filter, all that stuff. So right now, this is like really a big maintenance, but honestly, this is hopefully I don't see no more white smoke after this. Now, there are some gaskets that I'm not replacing that can still leak oil. For example, I don't know what it's called, but it's like right here, whatever this piece right here is, there's one on both sides. They have a gasket on them and they also can leak oil. And some people say that, you know, that's really the problem when you see the white smoke. It's just that leaking oil and it's dripping back because the engine's, you know, tilted backwards a little bit and it's dripping back onto the exhaust. Now, can that be true? That can be true for this car. That can still be true for this car. Honestly, I'm not sure, but I did order that one. And I should have ordered it because it's only like 20 bucks, I think it is. But honestly, with everything being taken apart right now, I might as well just order it and get it done. So I am going to stop right here for today. So you guys see me disassemble everything already. I'm only stopping right here because I kind of gotta go to a barbecue and stuff, you know, hang out with people, socialize, and, you know, be that guy, you know, socialization and stuff. But anyways, I gotta go there and check that out. Sometimes I wish I could just take this car, like low key, like if this car was, well, if the engine was back together right now, I probably would have took this car low. Nah, I'm lying. We're gonna take the G37 because, like, yo, oh shoot, I'm showing you the wrong thing. Look, oh, that car is sitting there sexy, y'all. I can't deny it. But anyways, it's for tomorrow, yo. Why am I telling y'all what's gonna happen tomorrow? Like, this is not YouTube, yo. Y'all gonna see it in like 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all. So there's a lot of background noise right now. I'm not gonna lie. So this part's gonna be a little quick. Valves and covers are gone. There is like buildup on the leg. You got like the sludge, like oil and stuff. There is some buildup. I was told that, you know, after a couple oil changes and stuff, it should swap out and clean out. I'm going to use some brake cleaner as well to clean up those edges, scrape off all that little debris on both sides because that oil is caked on that side. So we'll see how much we can get off. Like, this is bad, bro. I don't even know what's in there, bro, but we're going to get some stuff, get some cleaning stuff, get this cleaned out. Dig up like the wiring loom, like basically detached for the most part. This is going good. Let's go see what we get from there. All right, y'all. So right now, I got them sitting over there drying. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really know how to like clean valve covers. I normally just change them out. I've actually never had to reuse the same one. But I just hit it, you know, some strong soap, warm water, scrub them up a little bit. They're still a little dirty. Like, see some places still got like some caked on like oil and stuff. So I'm gonna hit them with some brake cleaner, see if I can like get everything off completely when I'm done. But anyway, for now, let it dry off a little bit. Now I guess stay wet. Then, now, I'm gonna do these spark plugs, y'all, ignition coils. I'm gonna get everything, well, spark plugs first, then coils after the valve cover go back on. But I'm gonna knock these spark plugs out. Got 2 more on this side, got all 3 on the other side. Knock them out, got some new ones. Sit right here. We're gonna try those out. All right, y'all, so right now I'm in the process of actually putting everything back together and everything back on. One with the valve cover, the new spark plugs, new ignition coils, plugging everything back in, and also some of the negative terminals that I did disconnect to actually get the wire loom out the way. There's a lot of plugs I need to go back in, a lot of things I need to get installed. The intake plenum, the throttle body. I'm pretty sure you call it intake plenum. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm pretty sure it's intake plenum. But everything else is gonna get installed. You guys gonna see all that going on right now, so just stay tuned. Let's put all that together. All right, y'all, so quick little break. I just wanted to show y'all this because this is the inside of the plenum air manifold. This should not look like this. This is all oil debris and stuff. So this is pretty much a concern. Is this the problem? Why I'm seeing so much smoke? I'm not sure. Or maybe the gaskets are bad on this part. Well, y'all, this is either going to fix the problem or it's going to make me realize that I just wasted 3 to 4 hours of my day trying to fix this problem and not fix it. And spoiler alert, y'all, things didn't really work out. Let me show y'all what actually happened. All right, y'all. So this is actually day 3 for me. More so day 2 because I've actually did the work, yesterday, and then not today. I just did oil change. But I gotta get this car started, y'all. I'm gonna go start it. Probably prime it first just to make sure there's no leaks. My main thing right now is no leaks. Oil is done. I even checked the oil. There's no like metal debris or anything. Like, it's pretty good. I had to bleed the coolant overflow tank. That's just because there was like oil mixing into the coolant. How? I don't know. Am I a little worried about that? Yeah, I am. What's that on? Is there any power? What's that on? Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's go check. This motor is loud, y'all. I don't know what's up with that, honestly. So from what I've seen, some people say that there might be a little bit of smoke after doing all this stuff like valves, oil change and everything. Just like some extra stuff dripping. So as long as nothing after that point drips, then I'm good. No! The valve cover is actually leaking, bruh. No. I gotta go take off the valve cover and do it again. The valve cover is leaking, bruh. This is dumb gasket, bro. I know exactly where it is too, bro. Cause on the passenger side, y'all, there's like no clearance in here, bro. I gotta think how I wanna do this. Yo, right there, bro. Right there. It's just leaking oil right there. Can't run anymore. Yeah, just leaking out. Right down there. Oh, that means we gotta take all of this off, yo. All of this gotta come back off just to get to this side, bro. I wonder if I should just fucking put one of those little sealers in there, little liquid in there, little gasket sealer stuff. Let it run. It's not even gonna work, y'all. I'm gonna do it the right way. We'll do it the right way, I guess. So now we gotta deconstruct all of this. Honestly, it's really just the plenum, really, because it's just this side. So maybe, just maybe. No, everything gotta come off because I gotta be able to lift this out. Damn, y'all. Damn. I was so excited too. But you know what, bro? It's alright. It's alright. All right, y'all. So right now, this is me actually leaving the car to run after redoing the whole passenger side gasket. Because of the oil that already dripped down, I can't really clean it. I'm trying to let the oil burn off. That's on the, whatever you call that, intake manifold and the headers, whatever it's on. You know, I'm trying to let it just burn off. All right, y'all. So I am actually like really happy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. The car smells like, right now I'm smelling a lot of oil and I'm seeing a lot of smoke. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's actually still a lot of smoke coming. Can y'all even see that? Anyways, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's fine. The smoke that y'all are seeing is fine. This is actually just a little bit of oil that dripped out from when the valve cover was loose, and it dripped out onto the headers. Where'd my flashlight go? And this time, I actually could prove it now. So now I know, okay, where the oil is and stuff. Let me see if I can find it for y'all. Flashlight. Can I find it again? There it is. All right, so right there, I'll try to put an arrow to it. But that spot right there, there was so much oil right there, just on that little circle, that little, whatever that shape is. And that's where you see all the smoke coming from right now. It's on the headers. And now when it dries up, there should be no more smoke. So I'm gonna let it go. Keep letting it smoke up for now. Let it stay warm. Other than that, the headlights looking, you know, decent. They're not 100%. I want to look at the tail lights though, because I was curious on how those came out. Make sure they look good. Okay, we got red there. Some sun on that side. Okay. I still gotta fix that. I haven't fixed that yet, but looking good. Let's see this. Let's check on temperature. Let's put it back up. Turn this off. Turn the headlights off. Still got this temp is still good. Yo. I'm not gonna lie, I heard something. Was that my car? Was that this car or something that just dropped? It sounded like something that just dropped. Hold on.